Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create automations using the platform previously known as Integromat, now rebranded as Make. So the process involves building a scenario using a visual drag and drop interface within your web browser rather than using your native applications like Automator or Shortcuts. So all you gotta do is simply go to the Make website. So once you're in your Make website, you can simply tap it open. Now you can simply sign in into your account. After you have signed in into your account, you need to create a new scenario. Once logged in, you will be in the official website of like a homepage of Make. So through your official homepage, all you gotta do is simply start building. You need to create a new scenario. For this, you need to simply start adding a module, that is the trigger. Every automation starts with a trigger, and accordingly, you need to add subsequent model, that are the actions. After this, you need to configure and connect your modules. Like you need to configure the settings, map your data, and use advanced tools, which is completely optional. After that, you can simply test your scenario and save and activate. So this way you can create automations in Make. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.